the last thing I'm going to show you here, and this is working with GeekPlus, a company that we've been working with on Dapper, and they're very excited about it because they've got, let's go back to the deck. Yeah, they've got a bunch of code that is managing these robots, which are work inside of a floor space that's moving objects around the space so that people aren't having to run around. It's kind of automatic. But the point of this is that you can adopt these things incrementally. And so you can take an existing app. Here's their existing warehouse robotics app, a scanner, a work order manager, a route manager, which routes these robots, and the robot itself. And once you put Dapper into that, you can add, you've got distributed tracing, like we talked about just off the bat. You can add other services, like a smart contract service in the middle of that flow. And then what we're going to show here, you can add messaging, and so make it more reliable and distributed, because one of the things that GeekPlus wants to do is have some of this now running on the floor, some of it running in the cloud. So they'll be able to do that. And then what I'm going to show here is that we've got Dapper using the Azure Cognitive API, Vision Detection API, running there on the local cluster that is going to be detecting objects and then invoking the route manager to route robots around obstacles. See, the problem is, in their existing configuration, I've got here a little package that I want to move over to there. I'm going to scan it. Oh, yep. And it's going to see that there's something in front of it and stop. But you see that camera over there? That camera over there, I'm going to Dapperize. Can we switch to the, I don't know if this console's on the display there. I'm Dapperizing this existing application to have it, that camera now, start to send messages to the router when it sees an obstacle and tell the router to move around it. So this will take a few seconds to launch. And let's go scan the next item. And it's routing around all of the obstacles. And let's see if it finishes its job over there. And boom. All right, success.